In our class today, we will be delving into the topic of the reception office. The reception office serves as the nerve center of an organization, acting as the initial interface between the external world and internal operations. It is the epicenter where communication, coordination, and professionalism converge. Description of reception office. The reception office is meticulously designed to function as a command post for administrative activities. This dedicated space is strategically positioned to manage incoming communication, facilitate guest reception, and oversee a spectrum of essential administrative tasks, contributing to the overall functionality and image of the organization. The receptionist role. A receptionist, often regarded as the first impression ambassador, is an indispensable professional entrusted with the responsibility of managing the reception area. Their role extends beyond the conventional administrative tasks, as they become the face and voice of the organization. Qualities of a receptionist. Job qualities. 1. Communication skills. A receptionist must possess articulate communication skills, both verbal and written, ensuring clear and effective conveyance of information. 2. Multitasking. Juggling various tasks seamlessly, from answering phone calls to handling administrative duties, requires adept multitasking abilities. 3. Organizational skills. Maintaining an orderly and efficient workspace is imperative for a receptionist, as it sets the tone for the entire organization. Personal qualities. 1. Professionalism. Upholding a consistently professional demeanor, regardless of the situation, reinforces the organization's commitment to excellence. 2. Adaptability. The capacity to adapt swiftly to dynamic circumstances and diverse individuals is a hallmark of a skilled receptionist. 3. Problem solving. A receptionist should be equipped to think on their feet, offering solutions to challenges as they arise. Duties of a receptionist. The duties of a receptionist encompass a kaleidoscope of responsibilities that collectively contribute to the seamless operation of the organization. From the moment a visitor steps through the door, the receptionist becomes the linchpin in fostering a positive and efficient workplace environment. Specific duties. Greeting and directing visitors. Welcoming visitors. Greet visitors with warmth and professionalism, creating a positive first impression. Direction and assistance. Guide visitors to the appropriate personnel or department, offering assistance when required. Handling phone calls. Prompt response. Answer incoming calls promptly, demonstrating courtesy and attentiveness. Message management. Take accurate messages and provide relevant information or direct calls efficiently. Administrative tasks. Workspace organization. Maintain the reception area's cleanliness and organization, reflecting the organization's commitment to excellence. Mail and courier management. Effectively handle incoming and outgoing mail, as well as coordinate courier services. Customer service. Client assistance. Assist clients with inquiries or concerns, ensuring a positive and memorable experience. Problem resolution. Handle unexpected challenges with grace, resolving issues to the satisfaction of all parties involved. Conclusion. Mastering the intricacies of the reception office and the multifaceted role of a receptionist is not only a professional endeavor but also a commitment to excellence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.